Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we'll discuss about the exercises. I give some example on question regarding the main memory tutorials. So from the previous video that we have learned in chapter 8 about the main memory, we know that there are several allocation algorithm. Algorithm is like steps that we need to go through in order to solve a problem. So for memory allocation algorithm, we have a base fit algorithm, first fit algorithm, and a worst fit algorithm. So these are algorithm for memory allocation that you should know. So we go through this example, how the process of allocation. So given a list of holes in a variable partition memory system, so in the computer memory system, it has a partition based on this question. So the partition is based on this order, okay, 400k and 100k, 270k and 500k. So this is the size of each partition of the computer memory. So consider the following sequence requests. So here, okay, we have the processes, process E, process B, process C, and process D. So the sequence is E, B, C, and D. So process E consists of 450 key size, B 200 key, C 50 key, and D 300 key. So by using the first fit and base fit strategy, allocate memory block for the processes. So you should show the process of the allocation. So basically we know we have three. So in this example, I show you on how to do it in best, first, as well as the worst fit algorithm. Okay, so based on this question, we have 400, 150, 270, and 500k. So we can draw a diagram. This one is referred to the computer memory. So refer to the main memory, and then we create a partition. So one block 400k, and then we have 150k, and then we have 270k, and we have 500k. So you can draw for the first fit, for the best fit, and for the worst fit. So this is the starting point. Okay, so first we go for the first fit. From the question, we know that this is the information that we have. We have process A, B, C, and D, and this is the size of each process. So this is the memory that we have with this partition. I mean, we have a block of memories here. So when we do the first fit, fine. So the first process is process A. So process A consists of 450. So it will go through block one by one. Okay, this one 400, so not enough memory, so it goes to another block or partition. This one is 150k, not enough memory, so it goes to the 270k, also not enough memory. Then it goes to here. This one is 500k, so it enough for or suitable for 450. So at this block, 450 is used by the process A, and the remaining is 50k that we call as the internal fragmentation. So here is unused and cannot be used by the other process. So the next part, okay, process B. So for the first fit algorithm, look at the first block. Okay, the size of this block is 400k. Size of process B is 200k. So the rules is go for the first. If first fit the process, then it will allocate to that block. So B process will be here at the first block, 400k. So 200k allocate for this process B, and 200k is unused. So the next process come, which refer to process C. Okay, process C we have 50k. So first fit algorithm go here, already being used, so it goes to another block. So this block is content of 150k. So process C only consists of 50k. So 50k used by process C, and balance is 100k is unused and cannot be used by the other process until process C release this memory. Okay. The next part is D. Okay, D is consists of 300k. So here already used by B, here already used by C. This one is not enough for D because D is 300. We only have 270 here. 5. This one already used by process A. So in this case, for the first fit algorithm, we can say that the process D incomplete because there is no block or partition of the memory that's suitable or have enough size to fit the process D. So you can calculate the total fragmentation for the first fit algorithm. So based on here, the black one, okay, 200 plus 100 plus 50. So it's equal to 350k. So this is for the first fit. Okay, let's go for the best fit algorithm. Okay, the same block 100, 150, 270 and 500k. So first go for E process. So E process is 450k. So it will go here. This one is not enough. This one is not enough. This one is not enough. Then the last part is enough. So 450 used by the process A, and the balance is 50k. So the next process is process B. So this one is best fit. So best fit means it try to each partition, then give a small balance for the unused memory. So 200, okay, 200 for this block, okay, enough, but the balance is 200. So it try to here and not enough. Try to here 270 enough. So if we use this block, so the balance is 70. If we use this block, the balance will be 200. So it will choose this block. Okay, next process C comes and we have 50k. So process C will go here first. Okay, the balance will be 350 and then goes to the next partition. Okay, this one, the balance will be 100. So it will choose this block. So balance is 100k. So the next process is process D, which equal to 300. So process D will be allocated at this block. So in by using the best fit algorithm, all processes can be completed. Has enough memory or it have enough space to run that process. So the best fit fragmentation, we have 100 here plus 100 here, 200, 200 plus 70, 270, 270 plus 50, 300 So this is the total fragmentation that we can get when we use the best fit algorithm. So the next part we try to do with the worst algorithm. Okay, so worst algorithm, it will find the block that fit and the biggest balance of the memory. Okay, process E goes first, so 450k. Here is not enough, not enough, not enough, so it will allocate at this block. So balance is 50k. So the next process is process B. So process B go to here, balance will be 200. This one not enough, this one balance is 70, so it will goes to this part because this is the worst part. Next, process C. So process C here, 50, balance 100. If it goes to here, so balance will be 100. Sorry, balance will be here. This one is 200. Okay, 200, 220. Okay, 220. So it will choose this one. So the next part, process D. Okay, process D already used by B, not enough. Already used by C, not enough. Okay, so process D incomplete using the worst fit algorithm. Okay, the next point. Okay, we calculate the best fit fragmentation. So 200 here. Okay, here, sorry, 220 to 220 at this part. And then we have 50. So 200 plus 220 equal to 220. 220 plus here, it will be 470. Okay, 470. We need to add another 100 because of this mistake. So basically, based on this example, okay, I said that when we use different algorithm, we can have different total of fit fragmentation. So by using the first fit and best fit strategy, okay, first fit we will get 350k, best fit will get 320, and if we use the worst fit fragmentation algorithm, it will consist of 470k. So that's mean based on this one, the best fit algorithm, it help you to reduce the unused memory space. Okay, so that's all for the first example. So the next question, please try to do at the same thing. Based on this question, you are given a block of memory size and list of processes. Try to use the first fit, the best fit, as well as the worst fit algorithm. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.